If you're a fan of Legos, you're gonna wanna watch this video. This company called Mecrob uses repurposed hardware to create stunning art pieces and metal 3D models. They sell kits of various homemade designs that you can buy and put together yourself. And I'm gonna tell you all about it. Let's go. What's up you guys, my name is Mark and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and discussing some 3D models I got from a company called Mecrob. Mecrob is a relatively new company founded in 2012 that takes discarded waste and repurposes it into unique models you can purchase and build. Their brand is focused on building a sustainable future as well as innovation and design philosophy. Their models contain hundreds of small metal pieces that, when combined, make something unique and extraordinary. I put together 2 of these models, and not only was it a blast, but I felt like a kid again. They have a lot of different models on their website, and I recommend that you go check them out for yourself. The 2 models that I got are called Minerva's Mercy and Aurora, and they're both part of Mecrob's Cybermetam model series. The model I'll be building in this video is Minerva's Mercy, which is supposed to represent a mechanical spider. I actually think the model looks a lot like a transformer from the Michael Bay movies, but I guess I'll let you decide. I built the other model before I filmed this video just to get an idea of the process and how everything fits together. Each model is packaged really nicely and built in 2 sections, Part A and Part B. All the pieces needed for each section are listed at the beginning of the 2 installation guides. Each item is numbered and comes in convenient pre-labeled bags, which is really nice for keeping things organized. A needle nose pliers and a small screwdriver are also provided with each kit. Every step lists the parts needed, their quantities, as well as exploded and completed views of assembly. Overall, I think it's pretty easy to read as long as you take your time and follow every step. Kinda like Legos. When I was younger, I loved putting together Lego sets, and I frankly still do, but now that they're so expensive, I never buy them anymore. My impression when putting together these models was that they're basically Legos for adults. Even though I'd argue that Legos are made for adults, but I digress. You get the same rush and entertainment as Legos, but it's definitely more challenging than snapping blocks together. I had to use a screwdriver and needle nose pliers for both models, and they each took about 8 hours to put together. The models remind me a little bit of the LEGO Architecture series because they're catered towards older individuals, with the recommended age being 15 and up. Since there are so many pieces to this kit, it can be difficult to keep track of everything. The way I've been doing it is by starting each step by gathering the bags that I need and pouring out the number of pieces the step requires. I then organize the pieces into piles so I can easily complete the step at hand. I found that this works really well for me, but I'm sure that there are other great ways to keep parts organized as well. I've now moved on to Part B of the model, which I guess would be considered the head of the spider. It attaches to Part A using magnets provided with the kit. The fact that the company incorporates several sources of light into such a tiny and intricate model goes to show the amount of effort and attention to detail that goes into designing something like this. So far, the model has gone together nicely, and I'm noticing that there are a lot of extra pieces. I like that they decided to do this because not only can the pieces be used as replacements if you lose parts, but it also gives the modeler the opportunity to add additional features and parts if they choose to do so. It's honestly so cool, and it makes for a really neat final display piece. Another interesting feature about these models is that they are modular, meaning sections of them can be removed and combined with one another to form a new design. Mecrob encourages their customers to get creative and build their own unique models using pieces from multiple kits. Which kind of brings me to my next point, which is that Mecrob actually asked me to work with their engineers to create a new product that they will launch and sell on their website. I'm personally super excited about this, and I have a few ideas for models that I'd like to bring to reality. Right now, I'm leaning towards something Star Wars or superhero related, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to be using the pieces from the 2 models that I have to come up with a design and create a prototype. I'll hopefully release a video in the coming months detailing the whole process. Both models are now complete, and overall I'm really satisfied with how they turned out. The quality is outstanding, and since these models are made from repurposed metal, they have a nice weight to them, which you won't get from Legos. Plus, the detailing and knurling on the individual parts make them look more like machines than models. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're into models or Legos, if you'd be interested in building something like this. If so, give Mecrob some support and go check them out, because what I think they're doing is really cool. Putting together these models is definitely entertaining, and it'll keep you occupied for a while. With that said guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you next time, and stay classy.